Hi, my name is Derek. I'm from Ecoforest Ireland, and I'm just going to give you a concise, short explanation of how geothermal heat pumps work and what the benefits and the features of a geothermal heat pump system are. As you can see here, this is the indoor unit. This is the heat pump itself. This is connected to a number of loops outside. You can either have a horizontal loop, which is flat lines in the ground in your garden, or we can also do a vertical loop, which is a borehole into the ground, which is usually from up to about 120 meters onwards. So the benefits of a geothermal heat pump is obviously the efficiency. Geothermal is transferring heat as opposed to generating heat, and that's done from taking the heat from the relatively stable temperature of the ground into the house to the heat pump. The heat pump then distributes the heat to the house as and where it's needed. We usually fit sensors in all the rooms in the house, so when an individual room needs it bump up in its heat, the sensor calls for it, the heat pump will send the heat to that particular room. The benefits of this is, if you're to compare it to an oil-fired or traditional fossil fuel systems, it's a lot more cheaper and efficient to run. It uses electricity, but it uses a small amount of electricity, as I said, because it's only transferring heat. It's not actually generating heat into the house like other traditional systems which are used. Geothermal heat pumps can be installed in new builds. They're spec'd out by the architects at drawing phase and planning phase. They can also be used in retrofits and upgrades of old heating systems as well. These jobs are eligible for SEI grants. The grant for a geothermal heat pump, or for any heat pump at the moment, is €6,500 towards the cost of the heat pump. Particularly in retrofits and upgrades, the main thing we'll be looking for there is the fabric of the building and the insulation. There's a myth out there that the house has to be airtight. The house has to have a HLI value of 2 or below for the heat pump to work to its optimum efficiency in the house. At Ecoforest Ireland, we have an in-house grant coordinator who will help with all SEI paperwork and will take you through the process and show you what forms need to be completed and who needs to complete what forms. There's a free no obligation consultation process at the start, where you can meet with one of our advisors or one of our technicians who will take you through the geothermal. Usually what happens is, on a new build, an architect or the client will send us in their house plans, and we will size the geothermal system to suit that house to make sure that it's given the optimum efficiency. We also provide on-the-floor heating as well. That can be designed at the planning stage as well, here in Ecoforest headquarters in Donegal. So for anybody who's interested in learning more about geothermal, or indeed coming into our showroom here in Newton Cunningham in Donegal to see what a live unit works or what it looks like, our office is open from 9 in the morning till 5 in the evening. If you book an appointment here through the office, we can facilitate a visit to the showroom here. Outside of that, if you contact us at info@ecoforest.ie or on our Facebook page or Instagram, we can come back to you straight away directly then and arrange for a free no obligation consultation to discuss geothermal with you more.